Estuaries are really special places. They are habitat for juvenile fish and nurseries. They serve as the kidneys of a system. They help cleanse and purify, protect us from storms. But really importantly too, they help support our coastal economies, both in fisheries and in tourism. The NERRS are an incredible system of 30 reserves around the country that embody a partnership between the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration and state partners, and in some cases nonprofit partners around the country.
So while all the reserves around the country may be very different, the estuary may be different, the community may be very different, we all do similar projects, and it's great to be able to learn from colleagues, experts that have already done it at their reserve, done a program or done research that was really effective for their community, or learned information that was really important for their estuary, and we're able to take that knowledge and then adapt it at our own local place.
Collaborative science is a process of engagement. It involves scientists, managers, and communities, and in a way that is all meant to advance shared understanding and knowledge around an issue, so that everyone comes out smarter. Everyone is better positioned to help contribute solutions to the issue.
By taking an approach that focuses on our communities and partners and what they need, it allows us to advance our priorities in ways that we wouldn't otherwise if we were working in this vacuum of academic science.
Collaborative science has built stronger relationships between the reserve and the community, and it's helped the Lake Superior Reserve establish a really important identity. We are seen as problem solvers. People can bring problems to us, and we're going to find a way or find the right person to help them.
Collaborative science has transformed the way the reserve system has worked, and it's been so effective that it's become an ethic in terms of how we continue to do our work today.
We approach collaboration by first listening. It's really important for us to understand before we embark on research or any type of scientific inquiry, to understand what it is that communities and decision makers need to make better decisions both for environmental and community health.
If science were done in the forest and nobody was there to read it, did the science really happen? And we used to joke about that as a metaphor, but it's real because until you engage the communities in forming those scientific questions, the impact of science to actually affect change and knowledge and behavior doesn't exist.
The Science Collaborative program is all about supporting the collaborative science of the reserve system and its partners. That absolutely requires grants and resources to enable reserves to work with their partners to address shared goals. It's also a whole host of other activities that are really centered around peer learning, supporting the system and learning from one another about how to do collaborative science, how to get better at it, and to work with their partners to maximize impact.
One of the strengths of the Research Reserve System is our collaboration with decision makers. And years ago, the mayor of the city of Homer wrote a letter to the Research Reserve requesting us to look into sea level rise. And through a science collaborative approach, we were able to learn that our ground is rising faster than sea level rise. And this impacts every coastal infrastructure decision for all of our partners in the area.
On Lake Superior, one of the problems that we've had over many years is coastal erosion. Simultaneously, there's been a loss of places to gather important plants for Ojibwe people. Between the reserve, botanists, and the Great Lakes Indian Fish and Wildlife Commission, we all came together, collaborated over a couple years, and built a guide called Ganawin Indiwag that brings plants and people together to solve problems of coastal erosion and provides opportunities for people to gather food and medicine that's really important to them.
One of the ways that we've used collaborative science recently in the Ace Basin, and this has been along with all of the other southeastern reserves where shrimp populations are in this part of the country, where we've used all of our water quality data that we have over a long period of time and analyzed that over shrimp populations and their abundance, whether they've gone up or down. This was really important to commercial shrimpers, and it's an important part of our community and our local heritage, and so we are able to share information among reserves, share information with the shrimpers, and have that information flow go back and forth.
The reserve system is phenomenal at doing collaborative science. They're the natural partner in it. Others look to the reserve system as exemplary for how to do collaborative science with partners, listening and responding to needs to deliver science and outcomes that really advance our understanding about coastal systems and how to protect them and preserve them for the future.